27. So, okay, we just looked up the torque settings for the Rockacoa assembly bolts. 27 foot-pounds. I'm getting the torque wrench out right now. Still got to align that injector pump. Okay, here we go. That's who Oh. Oh. Perhaps I better lift a few up. Think so. Just pre-torquing, so that this all goes down at the same time. Some of these are actually opening the valve. So I'll be pushing on the actual valve spring. Like exhaust on number 4. Oh, there. Number 1, these both will be off. See, that's actually got a bit of a gap there, which is what we expect. Top dead center. So as he's doing this up, obviously there's a bit of load on these. Load from the valve springs and one of the shafts.